Dear student, very warm good morning. Today we are taking the exercise 2.5. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. You are looking here 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first, second part do by yourself. I am doing the third part and fourth part. So third part 27. It's convert in cube. So that will be 3 cube. 3 3 9 3 27. Similarly, this one also 5a cube. Write it, and other things you will be write the same. Right? A square. Now we have an identity. We have an identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. You know that this identity. Okay, on the base of this identity we will do this. So this is the a, this is the b. Okay, is equal to, that will be a minus b whole cube. Right it? So we will take only this one, a part and b part. So that will be 3 minus 5a whole cube. Right it? Again see that 27 converted in 3 cube or 125 a cube converted in 5a cube, or these will be same, or we will see the identity of this one. You know that this identity a cube minus b cube. So we have taken only a and b and whole cube. So here also a and b and whole cube. Right it? Fourth part also we will do like this. 64 means 4 a cube, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. And this 27 we have done already, 3 b cube minus, these things will be same, plus 108 a b square, and then we will take the a part and b part like this. So 4a minus 3b cube. This is the answer. Write it. Now question 9. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y x cube minus xy plus y cube. So here we will apply the different identity. Oh, sorry, we will prove that one. So first of all we will take this one, x plus y x square minus xy plus y square, and multiply the both. So that will be x cube minus x square y plus x y square. We have taken this one x and multiply by this one and this one also, this one also. And now this. Now we will take the y. So x square y minus x y square plus y cube. See that? X y square cancel. This one also cancel. So that will be x cube minus, sorry, x cube plus y cube. Understood? Similarly, this one also will do x plus y x square plus xy plus y square. Sorry, this will be minus. Write it. So multiply of this solution, x cube plus x square y plus x y cube minus x square y minus x y square minus y cube. X y square cancel by x y square. Sorry, this is a 2 and this cancel. So x cube minus y cube. Next, factorize each of the following. Here we will apply this identity. So that 3y cube plus 5z cube is equal to, see that, x cube y cube is equal to, you are looking this. So on the place of x we will write the 3y, on the place of y we will write the 5z. So that will be 3y plus 5z, and second bracket 3y square minus 3y multiply 5z plus 5z square, and then 3y plus 5z, and then 9y square minus 5 3 15 yz plus 25z square. Similarly, you will to do this one by this identity. Okay. Now question number 11. Here we will apply the identity number 8. Write it. So identity number 8, it means x plus y plus z minus 9axyz is equal to AQ. Identity number 8 you can see in your book, textbook. So that will be 3x plus y plus z in a first bracket, in second bracket 3x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. Xy means on the place of x 3x, y 3x multiply y, so that will be right this, and minus yz minus zx, z multiply 3x. So second step, this bracket will become same, 3x plus y plus z, that will be 3 3 is 9, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Okay. Question number 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This question also related on the identity 8th. So we will solve this thing. At this 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z, or that will be x minus y whole square. You know that x square plus y square minus 2xy plus, here also same identity we will apply, y square plus z square minus 2xy, here also z square plus x square minus 2zx, right? Now 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. So here you are looking 2 times is x square given, so 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. Now minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 2yz will be here, yz minus 2zx. Write it. Again same thing, 2x plus y plus z multiply between 2 brackets. If there is no sign, it means there is a multiply. 2 is looking common, so 2, and then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, because 2 has come outside like a common. 2 cancel by 2, so x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity. Question number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we know that identity number 8, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity number 8. On the basis of 8th identity, we are solving all these questions, and then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to 0 is given, so 0 multiply x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Write it. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You know that if you will multiply by 0 of any number, then that answer will become 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. By the interchange, this has changed in plus. Question number 14, without actual calculating, find the value. It means we will not multiply or add or something etc. we will do here. We will apply the identity number 8th. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to, we know that already, 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Here I am writing the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So a is 12, b is 7, c is 5. So here we will write minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3 multiply minus 12 multiply 7 multiply 5. And now the multiply of these things, you know that one time is minus here, so minus will become, and the multiply of these will become, you know that you can do multiply easily, that will become 1260. 5 से 15, 15 12 जा, that will be, so that multiply will be 1260. Write it. Here also similarly you will be do. Okay, you can do. And then question number 15. You can see in your textbook also. Give possible expression of the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which their area are given. This one. So first part is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It means here we will apply the middle term splitting, or splitting the middle term. Write it. First of all, you will multiply these two. First of all, multiply these two. That will be 25 multiply 12 will be there. 25 multiply 12. 12 5 ja 60. 12 ja 24. 30. 300. So that will be 300. So now these 300 you will be convert in a two factors. Which factors add comes 35. So 25 a cube minus that factor will become 20 multiply 15. 20 multiply 15 is equal to 300. So that 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. So here we will write 20 plus 15 plus 12. Now 25 a cube minus 20, minus 15a plus 12, and then here we can take the common 5a. So there, here 2. So 5a minus 4, and then this will be minus 3. So 3 5 ja minus 3 4 ja. So that will be 5a minus 4 or 5a minus 3. Now, so length is equal to, that's come will be, so length 5a minus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4 upon 5. That is our length. Or 5a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to, that will be 3 upon 5. That will be breadth, or this will be length. Question number, and then second part you can do like this. Question number 16. This is also the lengthy question, so you can see in your textbook. What are the possible expression for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? So that first part is 3x square, 3x square minus 12x. So Here we can take the common 3x. So x minus 3 4 are 12. Okay. Here also we will take the common first. K you are looking, and 4 also is common. 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 4 5 are 20. So 4k is common. So that will be 4 3 ja. Y square पर 4 2 ja minus 4 5 ja. Now here we will do the middle term splitting. So 4k 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. 15 is 3 5 ja 15, and 15 converted in two factors, which subtraction will come 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Already is given there. So 3y square plus 5 minus 3y minus 5. So 4k 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 4k. Now here you are looking common y. So 3y plus 5. Here is no common, so 1. 3y plus 5. Now 4k 3y plus 5 is common from here, and then left is outside 5 minus 1. That is answer.